class of chemistry. We are studying 12th standard chemistry lesson number 9, coordination compounds. In previous video, we completed valence bond theory in coordination compounds, and today we will study some examples of coordination compounds to explain valence bond theory. In that, first we will see octahedral complexes. The complexes with coordination number 6 are octahedral complexes. Some examples of octahedral complexes are CONH3 6 3 plus, COF6 3 minus, MnCN6 4 minus, CrNH3 6 3 plus. Some of the octahedral complexes are low spin complexes and some are high spin complexes. First we will see low spin complexes. Low spin complexes. These are also called as inner orbital complexes. These complexes uses n-1 d orbital for hybridization. In low spin complexes, the electrons of metal atom are forced to pair up, and due to this the complex would be diamagnetic or may have lesser number of unpaired electrons as compared to their number in the free metal ion. For example, CONH36 3 plus molecule. First example, CONH36 3 plus complex. This is a low spin complex. Central metal atom in this complex is cobalt. Oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is +3. It loses 3 electrons and therefore oxidation state of this cobalt will be +3. So valence shell electronic configuration of CO+3 ion in this complex will be 3d6, 4s, 0 and 4p, 0. The orbital diagram for this electronic configuration is there are 6 electrons . Now, as this complex is low spin complex, the electrons of metal atom are forced to pair before hybridization. As central metal atom provides d orbital for hybridization in coordination complexes according to BBT, in low spin complexes, the electrons of n-1 d orbital are forced to pair before hybridization to make the d orbital available for hybridization. So after pairing of electrons, the electronic configuration will be these electrons are forced to pair before hybridization so that d orbital or inner d orbital will be available for hybridization. Now hybridization takes place between 2d orbital, 1s and 3p orbitals. So d2sp3 hybridization takes place and d2sp3 orbitals will be the hybrid orbitals. So electronic configuration after hybridization will be d2sp3 orbitals takes part in hybridization and D2sp3 hybrid orbitals are formed. These empty hybrid orbitals, that is empty D2sp3 hybrid orbitals of cobalt, overlap with the full-filled orbitals of NH3. NH3 donates electrons to cobalt and coordination bond is formed. So after complex formation, electronic configuration will be so this will be the electronic configuration after complex formation, as there is no unpaired electron in this complex formation in this orbital diagram. This complex is diamagnetic. There is no unpaired electron, so this complex is diamagnetic. Structure of CO and H3 molecule will be CO. There are 6 coordinate bonds, as there are 6 NH3 molecules. So this is the structure of CONH36 3+ complex. These are some examples of low spin octahedral complexes: CrNH36 3+, FeCN6 3-, MnCN6 4-. High spin complexes. In the formation of outer orbital complexes, Nd orbitals of the metal atom are used for hybridization. Such complexes are high spin complexes. For example, COF6 3-. In this complex, 3d orbitals, which are inner orbitals, are not used for hybridization, but 4d orbitals are used for hybridization, which are Nd, and 3d are called as N-1d. So these complexes, which are high spin, are also called as outer orbital complexes because outer orbitals are used for hybridization. High spin octahedral complexes. Example is COF6 3-. Central metal atom is CO, that is cobalt. Oxidation state of cobalt is +3 in this complex. Valence shell electronic configuration of CO +3 ion is 3d6, 4s0, 4p0 and 4d0. As this complex is high spin complex, outer d orbital is used for hybridization and not inner d orbital, and that is why it is also called as outer orbital complexes. So orbital diagram for this ion is like this. There are 6 electrons in 3d orbital. 4s, 4p and 4d orbitals are empty. As it is octahedral complex, coordination number of this complex is 6. There are 6 molecules of ligand. So 6 orbitals are required for hybridization. So hybridization will take place in 4s, 4p and 4d orbitals. 1 orbital of 4s, 3 orbitals of 4p and 2 orbitals of 4d orbitals will be involved in hybridization. So hybridization will be shown like this: sp3d2 hybridization, and the electrons in 3d orbital as it is. So sp3d2 hybridization takes place, and these empty sp3d2 hybrid orbitals overlaps with fulfilled fluoride orbitals and forms coordination bond. So electronic configuration after complex formation will be: fluoride will donate electrons to cobalt, electrons in 3D orbitals will be as it is. And now we can see that there are 4 unpaired electrons. So this complex is paramagnetic. Structure of COF6 molecule will be, it has octahedral geometry. So structure will be like this. So this is the structure of COF6 molecule. These are some examples of high spin octahedral complexes. FeH2O6 2+, CrH2O6 3+, FeF6 3-, COH2O6 2+, NiNH36 3+. Hybridization in all these complexes is sp3d2. Geometry is octahedral and magnetic behavior of all these complexes is paramagnetic.